Hello, dear traders. My name is Elijah, and today I'm with Oleg, and we are going to be talking about the latest research from Libertex, which is the Crypto Research 3.0. As we all know, a lot of people are interested in cryptocurrency, and it has made people a lot of money. So it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or you're a professional trader or you're an investor. This research is very, very good for you if you're looking to build your own crypto portfolio and to trade effectively on cryptocurrencies. Okay, so nice to meet you, Oleg. What do you have for us today?
Hello, colleagues. Hello, Elijah. I'm glad to meet you. Today we'll speak about our newest research on cryptocurrencies, and we'll start from the history because it's not the first research we make. We've been doing this type of analysis since 2015, and for now it's the ninth research that we make and the third research on cryptocurrencies that we make. And we'll start from our first researches for you to understand the evolution of this product and understand its value. So first of all, I would like to say that we started making this type of researches when nobody heard about Bitcoin and other altcoins. It was in 2015, and we started investigating gold. Then we were making research on oil because those two assets were the most popular at the time. And
Yeah,
then we made the research on the stock market of Russia because if you remember the time there were a lot of sanctions and there were a lot of cheap stocks, and we also were forecasting growth of this market, so many people made money on this. And the fourth research was about the most popular IT companies such as Apple, as Google, as Tesla, as Amazon, and many, many others. And at that time, nobody expected them to show like X2, X3, X4 performance, but now we all know that it's true, and we were forecasting this growth at that times. Then, when cryptocurrencies started gaining popularity, we made our first research, then we made the second research, and we were recommending people to buy cryptocurrencies and to hold them for some time, and of course to use proper risks. And many of those people who were buying cryptocurrencies there and that were waiting for this moment for almost 4 years, they finally have earned a lot of money. The next
wow.
research was about Corona crisis. So we had a lot of interesting ideas: what stocks to buy, what stocks to sell. It was some kind of a hedge portfolio. It was also very interesting. And the latest research we had was about the elections in the US, and we also forecasted two scenarios, and the results are also very good. So now we are on the final research that we have. It's about cryptocurrencies. It's about the new crypto trend. So let's speak in the details.
Wow, that is really amazing. You said all these researches it has made a lot of clients money, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Wow, I believe there's some big brains behind these researches. So who
It's
are
true.
these people behind this research?
Yeah, sure. Our analytical team, by the way, I know everybody
Wow,
here,
wow.
yeah, and they are real professionals. And if we'll take their cumulative experience, we'll have more than 120 years of
Wow.
experience. Uh,
That's really huge.
yeah, yeah, and I can say that like people do not live so long, yeah. uh, so
Yeah, that's true.
so we can say that like this product is really unique, and the main feature that they use not only their own experience, but they were consulting with really large miners, with hedgers, with people who are connected with development and creating their own cryptocurrencies. So we have some part of information that you will never find in free access in the internet. So you will get this information in this research.
Wow, this is really, really amazing. Talking about the years they have in the financial markets, 120 years, that is really, really a lot of experience there. So I believe a lot of clients will be really, really interested in this to like learn from people with a lot of experience. So I'm also interested. I think I'm also going to like join the research. So tell me please, what the details that we should know about this research? What are the things we should know about?
Yeah, the main feature that we wanted to make this research available for all traders. If you speak about big global researches, they are mostly made for institutional investors with a big amount of money. But we want everybody to have this research, so that's why we decided to split it into two parts. First part will be completely free for anybody
Wow.
who will register, yeah, and those people will get the basic information how to work on these markets. And the second part is for people who also have a certain amount of money on their trading account, but we will not charge any cent from people to give this research. So we do not sell it. Yeah,
I see.
we actually give it to traders. If you have a certain amount of money on your account, you will be able to get all of the strategies that require this amount of money to trade. If you want just to learn and to understand if this market is interesting for you, in this case, like we will give you all of the free information that we have on the main sections. So the first section is about the main features about cryptocurrencies, about identifying the part of market cycle where we are, what we have right now, yeah, and about large buyers and holders, and about some new features that personally I think might be even more interesting that all of the major coins that we know. We'll speak about NFT tokens and about DeFi. And by the way, Elijah, do you know what is NFT token?
Yeah, of course. NFT tokens, which is non-fungible tokens, which are kind of like the art tokens right now, that has really made a lot of people money, and also the DeFi tokens, which is like for example, the Dogecoin, which has risen for over a thousand
Yeah.
percent within 30 days. This is very, very interesting. And by the way, I can see that it doesn't have a lock. Does that mean that it is free?
Yeah. This information we decided to make it free because you see, I think that it's a new global trend, and we can see that you gave a very good example on Dogecoin, and I think that we'll see many more coins making like X5, X10, and even X100. So I think that this information should be given to all of the traders who want to start
Wow,
trading with
that's amazing.
cryptocurrencies. Yeah, and speaking about the information that is locked. Like first of all, I would like to say that, as you know, cryptocurrencies, some cryptocurrencies are mineable, some not. If we speak about such mineable cryptocurrencies as Bitcoin and Ethereum, I think you know that there is a certain price. I mean, the electricity, the price of
Yeah,
software and hardware that used to produce these cryptocurrencies,
that's true.
and it involves like some expenses that should be calculated, and so there is a price below which we cannot like expect the market to fall, or if it falls, we cannot expect it to stay at these rates for a long time, because actually it will not be profitable for miners to get this cryptocurrency, you see, to produce it. So we studied this subject in depth, and we know like what are these levels, and we give like certain numbers like below which like you will hardly see cryptocurrency for more than maybe 1 day or 2 days. Yeah.
Well,
So
I
and
see.
and some additional information that you also should know is about Bitcoin halving, is about how to find purchase levels, and how to analyze fundamental factors that influence on cryptocurrency, and how to trade cryptocurrency, seasonality, because many cryptocurrencies, they have the same seasonality as all other assets. Of course, it's not like a seasonality of, I don't know, of soybeans or of oil, but they have their own seasonalities, and you also should know about it uh,
Yeah.
to trade more profitable.
Wow, this
Yeah.
is really, really interesting. And I can see here that they can also have access to like the purchase levels, because I noticed that most people tend to buy cryptocurrency when the price is already high.
Yeah, you
Do
see,
you-
I think it's a main mistake of all of the new traders. They want to to be fast. They don't want to miss an opportunity. But due to my experience, and I've been trading since 2012, I can say that like if you want to join the trend, you should join when the price is lower, at least for 10 or 20% of the highest point of the latest high of the market. And if you see that this trend is not very strong, you can even expect for the correction of 30 or more percent. And believe me, price cannot grow forever. Like sooner or later,
Yeah,
it will
yeah,
fall
that's
down.
true.
Yeah, and in many cases, it's better to enter the deal with several deals, like step by step, little by little. And in some cases, it's just better to wait for the correction and then join the trend.
Wow, this is really, really interesting, dear traders. So you're also going to be getting the purchase levels, and apart from you guys getting the purchase levels, you're also going to be getting fundamentals and how to trade on cryptocurrencies. Apart from that, you're also going to be getting the price forecast for 2021 and coming years. This is also something that you really don't want to miss out. I am definitely going to take part in this portfolio. Okay, so about the Bitcoin halving, is there anything you want to talk about the Bitcoin halving?
Yeah, sure. If we speak about halving, we should know that when Bitcoin was designed, it was designed such way that every 4 years the reward that is given to miners for mining this coin is reduced by two. So it means that like sooner or later we will see very small rewards, and the demand will overcome the supply in many times. And
Yeah,
this gives
yeah, that's
us
true.
an opportunity to forecast the further growth of this cryptocurrency. And due to the fact that Bitcoin is one of the main cryptocurrencies, so we can say that it's a main cryptocurrency right now. Like I think that many altcoins will follow them, and of course many forks of Bitcoin will also follow it. On this screenshot we can see, yeah, on this chart we can see three previous halvings and how did the price react on this halving. And we can see that starting from the first halving, the price like grew up to like $25, and it was like around zero. It was very cheap. The second halving, they made almost $1,000, and the previous halving that we had in 2016, and then price grew up to 20K. And now we can forecast that the price will grow up to 500,000.
Wow.
Maybe yes, maybe not. Yeah, but if we believe the history, we can expect the price to grow up to this level. So many people who are forecasting Bitcoin 100K or more, I think they were not too far away from the truth. Yeah.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah, and the second slide we can see here, we see the seasonality chart. These are the columns that show the Bitcoin growth with the monthly division. And by the way, we have 2 months in a year when Bitcoin grows more than in any other month. So it's February, and guess what? It's
And May.
May. Yeah. Yeah, it's May. So it means that if you were looking for a best opportunity to buy cryptocurrencies, I think that you can do it this month, or you should wait almost a year to buy it in February, because if we speak about all other months, we see that Bitcoin it stops growing during the summer, and then a trend remains in autumn. So it's a good opportunity to buy Bitcoin right now.
Wow, I see.
Yeah,
And the
and,
third chat?
yeah. And the last chart, it shows the fundamentals about the expiration of contracts that are traded on CME. For those who don't know, we have different types of assets on the financial markets. And if you speak about Bitcoin, Bitcoin is a regular asset, but we have derivatives, we have futures on Bitcoins, on Bitcoin, and each time we have a period of expiration of these futures. We can forecast some kind of patterns that repeat itself from time to time, and due to the fact that we always know the date of expiration of these futures, we can forecast when we should buy and when we should sell Bitcoin. It's a very interesting statistic. It's available for clients with a certain amount of money on the deposit. So I will not go deep into the details, but like
Okay.
you should know that there are some cycles, there are some patterns that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies following, and you can use it and make money on these statistics.
Wow, this is very, very interesting. So, what's really caught my interest is the fact that May is the month whereby cryptocurrency should be bought and should be traded on mostly. So, and the good thing is we're in the month of May right now. So, dear traders, you really don't want to miss this opportunity. Instead of you making mistakes on when to buy cryptocurrency, as we can see from the chart here, May is a very, very good month to actually get into cryptocurrency and start trading on cryptocurrency. Is that right, Oleg?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. It's the best months to buy, and we have this crypto hype on all cryptocurrencies right now. So I think that this year we have the best May ever.
Wow, that is really, really nice. All right, so what other informations do we have here?
Yeah, the last part is an interactive part. It will be interesting for those who don't want to simply buy and hold. Like basically, we have two trading strategies for the beginners. So one is connected with simple candle patterns. Those one who trade with us using our trading hero signals chart.
Yes,
Yep. I think everybody who watch this video,
they
yeah,
should know
no,
about
yeah,
it.
yeah, they should know about it. The strategy is very simple. We have a number of same colored candles in a row, and we simply trade in the opposite direction. The second strategy is about using moving average. And the strategy for experienced traders, we have some indicators, custom indicators, which we created on our own. We tested it on our own, and we have a very good statistic there. So it will be available to trade on MetaTrader platform, and those simple strategies are available for MetaTrader and Libertex. And also,
Wow.
yeah, and also we'll give the recommendations to create a mini crypto portfolio for those one who really wants to hold cryptocurrencies for a certain period of time. Pay attention that we made a forecast not only for 2021, but we made it for a couple of years. So I think that like those of you who are interested in diversifying their income, you should pay attention to the cryptocurrency that you can invest in, like with long-term perspective. And also there are some cryptocurrencies that it's better to trade rather than invest. So we also speak about it, and we advise which cryptocurrencies you can trade, and it will be more profitable than like simply holding them.
Wow, this is very, very interesting. So, dear traders, you've heard it all. So, apart from the fact that you can get signals, you're also going to have the possibility of like creating your own crypto portfolio, getting the cryptos that you want to buy and the ones to trade on, which is really, really interesting. And you'll be getting signals. Wow, it's really, really amazing. So, I think most people right now are curious to know like the level, the growth of the signal group. Do you have any information on this?
Yeah, sure. We have a private Telegram channel with signals that were given since October of 2019, and our results are really fantastic. We have earned more than 450%
Wow.
for this period. And if you speak about an average income, like we have 23% average monthly income, and if you speak about a profitable month, it brings us more than 50%, like it's almost 60% on a growing month. Of course, we have losing months. It's okay, like everybody can lose some time, yeah. Uh,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and it's normal because market breathes, and like we cannot like make money every month, yeah,
Exactly.
because like we should follow the market. But still, if we'll take the overall result, we have very good performance, like 450%. I think
Yeah.
it's really good.
It's it's really, really good. So this is really, really nice. I think by this at this point of time, a lot of people are curious, like how much is it going to cost to actually join the portfolio? Because right now I'm also curious about the price to join.
Okay, okay. So let's reveal the numbers. So I want to say that we decided to make this like entry point 10 times lower than we use it regularly. So all of the clients who have more than $999 on the trading account, they will be able to subscribe to this trading strategy.
Wow.
and get a full access to all of the strategies, all of the researches that we have. And we have this kind of a pre-sales period, and it will last till 18th of May. 18th of May is an official date of the main release of this research, and starting from this date the price to get the research will be increased up to $2,499.
Wow, this is really, really huge. Looking at the price, if we should look at the past portfolios that the past research, I mean, the prices were about $10,000 to $100,000, and yeah, I'm
Yeah.
seeing $1,000. Wow, this is very, very interesting. I personally am going to join because I really don't want to miss this opportunity. And dear traders, I believe you also you don't want to miss this opportunity. You know, you're going to be getting a lot of information, especially about NFT tokens and the DeFi cryptocurrencies. So I think $1,000 on your trading account, it's very, very good. And the thing they should also know is that this $1,000 in your trading account, it doesn't matter if you're going to be trading with it. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah, that's completely right. Cause I can say that like we do not charge money for all of our services, for any of our services, and the money you invest, like you can simply, if you are afraid to lose this money or you are not confident, like you can simply deposit your account, read the research, and then decide whether you want to trade with all of the money you have or you want to diversify it. Because we have a lot of other products that are not connected with cryptocurrencies, and I can say that in most cases I advise to diversify income not only by types of cryptocurrencies, but by the type of assets. Yeah, you can trade with
Yeah.
stocks, you can trade with forex and many other things. So of course, if you want to get this research but you are not confident enough to start trading on a full capacity of your deposit, please, you can start from the amount that is comfortable for you.
Okay, this is very, very nice. So guys, you really don't want to miss this opportunity. I personally will not wait till it's 2,500. This is about 60% discount. Is that right, Oleg?
Yeah, 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 that's right. It's
Yeah,
around
so you,
60%.
you really don't want to miss this opportunity. So I'm going to start as soon as possible and you should all join me. Okay, so we should come to conclusion of this research. So what are the things that clients should keep in mind?
Yeah, yeah, let's finalize everything. So the key points that you should keep in mind, that first of all, this research gives you a practical information. It's not an article from Wikipedia which you can read and like get some basic information. You will get
Mhm.
like a step-by-step plan what to trade and how to trade. You will learn about seasonality of cryptocurrencies. You will know about the net cost of cryptocurrency, the price below which like you should buy as much as possible, because from this price like a cryptocurrency cannot fall lower than this price. You
I
will also
see.
learn how to create a diversified crypto portfolio of different cryptocurrencies, and you will get trading strategies for the beginners. You will get trading strategy for an advanced trader, and also you will get interactive lessons of technical analysis if you want to learn more about how to use this method of analyzing trading with cryptocurrencies, because like for my opinion it's the most effective, because fundamentals that we have on cryptocurrencies, like it's very hard to predict. Yeah, but if we speak
Yeah.
about some basic things like trend lines, support and resistance lines, and many other things, they really work on all of the markets.
Wow, this is really interesting, guys. So, dear traders, as you've heard from Oleg, so like I said earlier, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or you're a professional trader or you're an investor. It's something that you really need because we are moving to the age of cashless society, and it will be very good if you begin to like learn the secrets of crypto trading, learn the secrets of crypto, start creating your own crypto portfolio. So this is an opportunity for you, and I really hope you're going to join because I'm also going to join. I'm not going to miss this opportunity, trust
Yeah.
me. And I think that'll be all for now. Oleg, do you have any other thing you want to add?
I want to wish you good luck, because like you have everything that you need to have. You have the information, you have our support, you have our Telegram chat. So I think everything that you need is like to find time and find the money to get this research, and you will be making money with us.
Wow, that's interesting. So that's all for now, dear traders. and dear viewers. So if you want to join this research, you're going to see some details below this video, and you can contact me, Elijah, and you can also contact Oleg. Okay.
Yeah,
So anything else, Oleg?
I think that's all. So,
Uh, All right, guys. We wish you all the best. Okay, and have a wonderful day.
yeah, see you soon on the market. Have a good day.
Yeah. Bye.